Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and if it's your first time stopping by here, you are highly welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup video, an everyday makeup tutorial, and I'm also going to be answering some would you rather questions. So if you guys want to get to know me better and see how I get this face beat, just keep watching and let's get into the video. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil, and I got it from the hair store. I believe it's an old pencil. I got it from the hair store. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows with this. My eyebrows is really bad right now. My eyebrows lady is closed, but I'm going to make it work, and I'm going to use some concealer to conceal everything. Now it doesn't look equal, but when I conceal it, everything is going to look perfectly fine. So the first would you rather question, let's get this. It says, would you rather peel all your nails out of your fingers or pull all your teeth out of your mouth? Rather, I cannot live without having teeth. That would be, oh, I will look horrible. So I think I would rather pull all my nails out of my fingers. I think I would rather do that because I can't stay without having teeth, guys. That's a no-no. So I'm going to be using my Tarte concealer. This is in the color Deep. That's what I'm going to be using to clean out my eyebrows. The next question says, would you rather have sex with your cousin in secret or not have sex with your cousin but everyone would think you did? I would rather not have sex with my cousin and everyone thinks I did. I just can't have the thought of me doing that with my cousin, and yeah, alright, you can think whatever you want to think about me. I don't really care, but doing that would that's a no-no. So yeah, everyone can think I did, but no, we ain't doing that here. No. Would you rather have no arms or no legs? Ooh, that's a hard one. No arms or no legs. I think I would rather have no, oh, I can't have no arms, man. Ooh, I think I would rather have no arms. But then how am I gonna do stuff, you know? I think I would rather have no arms because I have to work, like my elf wing liner, and I just basically use that to just draw a wing. Sometimes I don't put a wing on. It depends on where I'm going to. And guys, this wing liner is the best affordable wing liner ever. Like, I love using this wing liner. Like, it's good. I like it. And if you like that matte look, this is it. This will do it for you. Would you rather live forever or die in the next 5 minutes? I would rather live forever, guys. I would rather live forever. I just feel like I have a lot of things to do in life that I haven't accomplished yet. So I would rather live forever than die in the next 5 minutes. Live forever and ever. Would you rather be a virgin forever or have sex with your brother or sister one time? Ooh, these questions, man. These questions. I would rather be a virgin forever. I cannot do that with my brothers or sisters. The no. So virgin forever for me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Master Primer to prime my face. Stay Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline, and I have the color 360, and it's in Mocha. 360 Mocha. This foundation is so good, right guys? And it's really full coverage. Like, you just need the littlest thing ever and you are good. And then guys, so I'm going to be going in with my foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend that in. Would you rather have ultimate love or ultimate money? Okay, so ultimate love or ultimate money. I would rather have ultimate money, because I don't feel like I need an ultimate love. I can always find love, so I'd rather have money. I would rather have ultimate money than ultimate love, because love can always come, and if you have money, you are good for life. Ultimate money for life, I am good for life. You can always find, I don't even need love self. You can always just find, if I have money, I'm happy. At least I'm comfortable. I can have anything I want. Is ultimate. And then the love, that one is okay, sha. That one is okay. We'll figure that one out when we reach there. But the money is a yes. It's a yes for me. It's a yes. Alright guys, so after I finish blending my concealer, I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 55, called the color Deep, and I go in to just set my face. Going with this Black Radiance pressed powder, and I basically use this for my contour. So I just go in, it's almost finished guys. I love this powder so much, so I go in with this and I just Alright guys, to blend everything in, I just basically use this my brush right here, and I got it from BH Cosmetics. I just basically use this brush to wipe off and blend. Do you ever have everything you have ever wanted but die in 1 year, or live your life as it is now? I would rather live my life as it is now than to have everything I ever wanted and die. And I just want to thank God, because I think I have everything I want at the moment. So I would rather live my life the way it is now than to have everything I ever wanted in life. No, it's not worth it, and I die in 1 year. What is the need? Basically going with my mascara, and this is from Elf. Man, Elf needs to sponsor me because I have a lot of Elf stuff. So if I'm not going anywhere like crazy, this is it. I just go ahead and put in my lip gloss, line my lips, and I'm done. But if I'm going to like a bar, or I'm just going out with my friends and I want to enhance, I just go ahead and put in some lashes. So I'm just going to put in a lash just for the fun of it, basically. And I'm going to be using that lash, and I'm also going to be using this super strong hold. Is by I Navy. Super strong hold lash glue by I Navy. That's what I'm going to be using for my lash. Next question, while we wait for this to dry. Would you rather be filthy rich but suffer depression, or be poor and happy? Okay, so this question, I think I'd rather be poor and happy, because I don't know, oh god, money good sha. I think I'd rather, I can't suffer depression. It's almost done, I know, but I just like it. I cannot throw it away yet, so I'm going to be using this little pencil I have here, and I got it from the hair store. Have been saving life since 1990, whatever, but I'm going to be using this to line my lips. I'm gonna be going in with my Mario Brothers spray to spray my face, guys. Alright guys, so while we wait for my face to dry up, I'm gonna answer 2 more and we'll be done. Would you rather be a vampire or a wizard? I would rather be a vampire, guys. I watch too many Vampire Diary, so I would rather be a vampire than a wizard. We can't forget highlights now. I almost forgot to put my highlights, so let me go ahead and do that. My highlighter is from Juvia's Place. Is the Tri-Bar highlighter volume 2 by Juvia's Place. It's bomb, it's good. And I'm gonna be going in with my elf what is it called, with my elf blush, guys. I don't know what just happened. So I'm gonna be going in with this Real Technique brush, and I'm just going to be using this color right there, guys. Just alright guys, so the last question I'm going to be answering before I go is this: would you rather go out and drink or stay at home and drink? Well, I'm a homebody. I love to stay at home. I don't know why, I just love to stay at home. So I would rather stay at home and drink, and it depends on who I'm drinking with. So yes. Alright guys, thank you so very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on your post notification. And I will see you guys in my next video. As always, stay beautiful and stay safe. Bye bye.